Holy, my topic is all about central limit theorem. Our key terms is x is our sample mean, mu is our population mean, sigma is our standard deviation, and the n is our sample size. So this is all on the formula. Z equals to x bar minus m over sigma over the square root of n. And sigma and the square root equals to square root of the sum of x minus x bar squared over n minus 1. Consider the data below on the NAT score of the grade 8 students. Suppose m is greater than 90. So this is all our student score table. So this is all the student score. We need to add this all score, and the answer is 1265. In order to get this x minus x bar, we need to use this formula. X bar is equals to the sum of x over the n is equals to 1265 over 14. So the answer is 90.36. In order to get this x minus x bar squared, we need to square the difference between x minus x bar, like 4.64 squared is equals to 21.53, and so on and so forth. So we need to add this all scores, and the answer is 199.22. We need to solve for the sigma. Square root of sum of x minus x bar squared over n minus 1. Square root of 199.22 over 13 is equals to 3.91. Z equals to 90.36 minus 90 over 3.91 over the square root of 14 is equals to 0.34. Alpha is equals to 0.05 210. Z alpha over 2 is equals 0.05 over 2 is equals 0.25. Z equals alpha. Z crit equals positive negative 1.9600. So this is my graph. The shaded part is our rejection region, and the unshaded part is our accepted region. So our 0.34 is our accepted region, and our 1.9600 is our rejection region. Therefore, accept HO M is greater than 90, reject H1 M is less than 90. HO equals null hypothesis, H1 equals alternative. We move to our next topic, estimation of parameters and hypothesis testing. Our key terms is p-value, probability of the mean, confidence interval, interval defined by confidence level or margin of error, denoted by x bar minus z alpha over 2 is multiplied sigma over the square root of n less than m less than x bar plus z alpha over 2 is multiplied over sigma over the square root of n. So this is our lower confidence level, and this is our upper confidence level. So this is our decision rules. Number 1, critical religion. So in this graph, the unshaded part is our accept, and the shaded part is our reject. So the second decision rules. Confidence interval. Accept HO if M is an element of the interval x bar minus z alpha over 2 is multiplied sigma over square root of n less than m less than x bar plus z alpha over 2 multiplied sigma over square root of n. So our third decision rules. P-value. If the p-value is less than alpha, reject HO. HO. M equals K. HI, M is not equal to K. So this is two-tailed test because of the equal sign. So HO, M equals K or M less than K. H1 is M greater than K. So this is our one-tailed test, the right tail. HO, M equals K or M greater than K. H1, M is less than K is one-tailed test. So this is our left tail. This is the example of estimation of parameters and hypothesis testing. This is our confidence level, 95%. So this is our student's grade. We need to total these all grades. So the total is 449. In order to get x minus x bar, we need to use this kind of formula. X bar equals to summation of x over m equals to 449 over 5 equals to 89.8. In order to get this to 8x minus x bar over 2, we need to square the difference between x minus x bar, like 0.2 squared 0.04, and so on and so forth. In a total, all of this is 62.8. HO equals to M equals 86. H1 equals M is not equal to 86. It is two-tailed because of it was equal. So alpha is equals to 0.05. Margin of errors 0.05 over 2 equals to 0.025. Our sigma is equals to square root of 62.8 over 4 is equals to 33.96. Z equals to 89.8 minus 86 over 39.96 over the square root of 5 is equals to 2.15. P-value Z is greater than 2.11 equals to 1 minus theta 2.11 is equals to 0.01578. Z is less than negative 2.11 equals to theta negative 2.11 is equals to 0.01578. Z quit is equals to positive negative 1.9600. Alpha Z equals to 0.025. Our A, reject. So this is my graph. The shaded part is our reject, and the unshaded part is our accept. So our positive and negative 2.15 is our reject, and our positive negative 1.9600 is our accept. And letter B, 89.8 minus 3.47 is equals to 86.33 or 86. 89.8 plus 3.47 is equals to 93.27. So our C is equals to 0.01578 less than 0.05 is reject HO.